All of the major indexes in the stock market today has found itself with a huge green candle, a huge increase on pretty much everything in the stock market. But I am not buying yet. And in this video, I'm going to tell you why and what key level I am monitoring before I look to add any positions. So, getting right into it, year-to-date performance for me has not been good so far. It has been about -9%. Just have had a lot of names, go red on me early, and then obviously in the last month or two, you've had the broader market sell off of software, which luckily that didn't get me too much, but it was really just this Iran conflict that has, really made navigating this market really tricky because I have stocks I want to enter, and then you enter them. If you don't get the right entry, they just immediately go red on you, and you feel like you have to cut them. And so, sitting at -9% versus minus 4.5% for the S&P 500, which that was actually about a 7% down red for S&P 500 just until today, where it found itself with the large boost. But going forward, I'll be publicly documenting my performance as an investor, and then also as running a newsletter. So I'm running a newsletter. It is called investorwaves.com, focused on thematic investing. So finding these themes in the market. And the goal is to find stocks in those themes that are, either reasonably priced or they have, a really attractive growth profile where you feel like there will be multiple expansion there through deep research. So that's my goal as an investor, documenting it on this channel. And go check out this website. It's a work in progress. Enter your email if you want to. I have a goal of getting 1,000 subscribers here in the next few months. But that's it on that front. To get more into the market side of things, like I was saying, I am not buying or allocating yet. I'm mostly in cash at the moment. So I do want to get back into positions. I have a whole watch list, which I'll be making a video on of what I'm looking to enter. But pretty much there was a great day today of a huge boost on the indexes. You can see S&P is at 650. At the lows, it was at 629. And it was all based off the news of, these continuing negotiations hopefully coming to an end between Iran and the U.S. and, Iran coming out and saying they're most likely willing to cease fire, and United States most likely willing to cease fire. What that looks like is still yet to be determined. The points of the deal and if the strait will open. Obviously, the strait has to open. From my point of view, the war can't really fix this market, right? Just the war ending is not going to fix it. The strait has to be open. Energy has to be flowing through there, and I still don't think right now is a time where the markets have settled. Yes, it came up and it finally recaptured the 9-day right here. Today closed just above the 9-day EMA, and it's the first time it's closed above that level since, I don't know, maybe in February 26th. So it's been over a month since SPY has been above that key level. But for me personally, I'm looking to buy above this 200-day moving average, right? I want to see some more green days so we can hold this level here. And it's actually funny how the 21-day EMA and the 200-day are intersecting at this point here. But that is going to show a lot more signs of settling down in this market, of maybe giving you a lower risk entry for any positions you want to enter. Obviously, this could be the bottom here, and if you bought here, more power to you. You are majorly in the green today, most likely, because all the names were up green today. But I'm looking to have a better entry here because you never know with these, kind of stage 4 downtrends. If you've never heard that term, go look at what Stan Weinstein has done on stage analysis. But this is a stage 4 downtrend, and usually the action pretty much goes, huge gap down, and then green days back up and they get rejected. And that's exactly what has been happening over the last month. Is anytime you get a huge green day up, you're followed immediately by this just harsh rejection and consolidation to the moving average, and it can never break free. So it's been a really good sign to see that it closed above. Through today, it almost was looking like it was not going to close above, but yeah, it's a good first sign. But there's a lot of headwinds in the economy right now, and I don't think just seizing the war is gonna shoot this up like, a V-shaped recovery like it was in April. So let me know what you think in the comments about the price action right now, where you're looking to buy, if it's something you're trying to time or whatnot. Yeah, I'll be doing these every single day. So leave a comment and ask any questions, and I will be making sure to answer any questions at the end of the next video each day. So drop those in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.